Hi, welcome back to PARC Parent Pointers. I'm Bree. Today we have a really exciting video. We're at a mono chamber facility called R3. I'm sure all of you guys want to know what it looks like. This is one of their chambers. So they have 3 chambers at this facility. We have a patient in here right now just watching TV. And this facility is super awesome. So he gets inside this pressurized chamber. The treatments are about an hour long, but he'll be in there for about an hour and a half just to get everything set up, pressurizing and all that good stuff. But he's in there comfortable, he's watching TV, not even paying attention. But if I wanted to chat with him, I have a phone here that I could always talk with them and say, "You doing okay? Everything good?" So if you notice on his right hand, actually I'll have him, can you go like this? Let me see your hand. He has a grounding bracelet on, so each kiddo will have that on. Doesn't even bother him. For the younger boys, we'll wrap something around it so he doesn't take it off. And then a big concern I'm sure everyone wants to know is just how he feels in there. So he feels totally fine. In order to pressurize, kind of like if you're on an airplane, get your ears to pop. The older kiddos will kind of, if you get in the pool, blow hard, that will help. And then the younger kiddos will do like the baby shark, like this. And that'll just help kind of clear your ears. So super awesome. I'm glad you guys got to take a look at it and tour the facility. So we'll see you next week.